Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha and today we are going to see something different. So, I was thinking many of us has comfy shoes where we are very comfortable to go out, but yes, there is always a but. So, what is the but? The but is that the shoes are most of the time very dull. The problem with my comfy shoes is that I'm embarrassed to go out wearing those, but they are so comfortable to wear. So I was thinking today, why not remake my shoes? I mean, remodel. So let's get started. I do hope you have liked the video. Do subscribe